Are you tired of working 40 hours a week just to barely pay your bills every month? Inflation is crazy right now, and saving money feels absolutely impossible for most of us. But what if I told you that in 2027, there are side hustles making regular people an extra $100 a day? Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't Etsy too crowded? Not if you do it logically. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You can use free AI tools to create the content and design the templates in minutes. You create it once, list it for $5, and when 100 people buy it, that's $500 in pure passive income. Digital planners, habit trackers, and budget sheets are exploding right now because everyone wants to organize their life. Welcome to Hustle Logic. Today, I'm breaking down 3 realistic side hustles you can start today with $0. Side hustle number 1 is selling AI-generated digital products on Etsy. Tech companies are desperately looking for real humans to test their new AI models and make sure they sound natural. Sites like Data Annotation and Outlier are paying anywhere from $20 to $40 an hour just for this. The best part? You do not need a tech degree or any coding experience. You just need to speak English perfectly. You can do this from your couch, at a coffee shop, or even during your lunch break at your regular job. If you put in just 2 hours a day, that is an easy extra $50 to $80 in your pocket. Imagine using that money to completely wipe out your credit card debt or finally start an emergency fund. So, if you dedicate just 1 weekend to setting up your shop, it can pay you for months. But let's move on to something even faster. Side hustle number 2 is AI data training and testing. This is huge in 2027, and hardly anyone is talking about it. You literally get paid to chat with AI bots, catch their mistakes, and rate their responses based on accuracy. It is one of the most logical ways to make money this year. But wait until you hear about number 3. Side hustle number 3 is faceless affiliate marketing through short-form content. You have probably seen those aesthetic Instagram reels or YouTube shorts with motivational quotes or finance tips. Well, those creators are making thousands of dollars a month, and they never even show their faces on camera. You can use Canva for free aesthetic background videos and ChatGPT to write viral scripts and hooks. Then, just use an AI voice generator to read the script and put it all together in a free app like CapCut. When a video goes viral, thousands of people click your link, and you earn a commission for every single sale. It literally takes 30 minutes a day to schedule these posts, and the income potential is completely uncapped. These 3 side hustles are changing lives in 2027. But remember, making the money is only step 1. Step 2 is actually keeping that money. Most people start a side hustle and immediately inflate their lifestyle. Do not buy a new car or designer clothes just because you made an extra $500 this month. Instead, you need to park your new side hustle cash in a high-yield savings account immediately. Regular banks pay you pennies, but a good HYSA pays you 4 to 5% just for holding your cash. Better yet, use that extra side income to completely wipe out any toxic credit card debt you have. Credit card debt is a wealth destroyer. Paying off a 20% interest card is an immediate 20% return. Once the bad debt is gone, you can start funneling your hustle money directly into the stock market. Even just $50 a week into an S&P 500 index fund can grow into hundreds of thousands over time. Drop a comment below right now and let me know. If you type Hustle Logic, I will personally reply to you. Now, I need to give you a quick warning before you jump into any of these side hustles. The internet is completely full of fake gurus trying to sell you $2,000 courses. Listen to me very carefully. You do not need to buy an expensive course to learn how to make money online. Everything you need to know about AI digital products or affiliate marketing is available for free. But if you commit to doing it for 30 days straight, your whole financial life could change. It is all about building systems that work for you instead of you working for them. The biggest secret to scaling any side hustle is treating it like a real business from day one. That means tracking every single dollar you make and separating it from your personal checking account. When you make your first $100, don't spend it. Reinvest it back into your hustle. Buy better AI tools, run a small ad, or pay for software that automates your daily tasks. Automation is exactly how you stop trading your precious time for money. Now, you might be thinking, what if I face challenges? What if my first try takes time? You just have to dedicate one focused hour every evening to building your digital presence. Sacrifice a little bit of short-term comfort right now for long-term financial freedom and success. None of these require a college degree, and none of them require you to spend any money up front.
All you really need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and the dedication to stay consistent.
I started my own journey exactly where you are sitting right now, watching a YouTube video and looking for answers. It really helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with more people who need to hear this financial advice. We will be dropping new videos every single week on how to make smart money moves and build real wealth. Here is how it works. You promote software, courses, or Amazon products using a special tracking link in your bio. If you post one short video a day across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, the algorithm will eventually pick you up. That is exactly how you turn active side hustle money into true passive generational wealth. I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 side hustles are you going to start this week? You can find complete step-by-step tutorials right here on YouTube if you just search Logically. The only real difference between the people who succeed and the people who fail is consistency. If you try one of these side hustles for 3 days and quit, you will make absolutely $0. Let me tell you a realistic truth. Everyone starts at 0, and every successful builder learns from early steps. Because looking back a year from now, you will be so glad you took that first step today. So, to quickly recap, the 3 best options for you are AI digital products, data testing, and affiliate. And now, my only goal is to help you reach your financial goals this year without all the unnecessary stress. If you found any value in this video today, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button down below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, wealth is built with logic, not luck. Keep hustling logically, and I will see you in the next video.